If you want to start using Trading212, you should click on the link in the description to get a free share up to $100 when creating an account. To buy S&P 500 recurringly on Trading212, click the pie icon, then click the blue plus button, then click the search bar and search S&P 500. And then select the Vanguard S&P 500. Then select limit stop and enter your quantity you want to buy and click the confirm buy button to proceed. And that's it. That's how you buy S&P 500 recurringly on Trading212. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.